Hi, my name is Sandra Nielsen, and I worked here on the farm for the last 2 years. Among others, this bottle for the calves project, which worked out extremely well. Alright, and then when the calves are done drinking, we take the bottles inside, and we're so lucky that with this system, all the cleaning and everything, it goes on inside where it's a little bit warm. We're protected from the elements outside. So all this with taking off the nibbles into the basket and over in the basin, putting up the bottles in the bottle washer, it takes place inside. With the bottle washer, the work positions are a little bit different and they're a lot better. In the ball system, you had to bend down after every milk feeding at the calves and wash the balls. And that's a lot of balls when you have 40 calves to feed or 90 calves to milk feed. Here you pick up the bottles, put them in the washer. Spares your back a lot of work.